with $833 a week from affiliate marketing on autopilot. What's going on, my friends? I'm Michael from mindset.win. Welcome to series of videos about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And the lesson today is quality content is king.
Hi, and welcome back to our next training video here in affiliate marketing for beginners. In this particular video, we're going to be talking about the importance of content. So quality content is king. When it comes to affiliate marketing, people say often that content is king, but what they really should say is that quality content is king. Giving people great content is how most people begin, how most people develop trust as an affiliate marketer. Because you have to think, someone's searching for a term, someone's searching for information. So if you provide them information that is accurate, that is concise, that is honest, then they'll become a fan of your particular blog or affiliate site, and they'll look to you as a person that is a subject matter expert in your given niche, and they'll bookmark your site to come back to it later. They'll look at your site on their phone, they'll look at your site on their iPad. They'll develop a level of trust. So having great content is king. Another thing, talking about content, you have to, and I talked a little bit about this in the last video, about when you select which niche to go into and how you go about doing your reviews for your particular affiliate products that you're promoting on your affiliate site. You must remember that you are reviewing a product. You're not selling a product. You're not pitching a product. Okay, you don't want to come across as the used car salesman. No one wants to come across as the huge car salesman that is just trying to make a quick buck, you know, throwing pitch after pitch and cliche after cliche and buzzword after buzzword to try to get you to hit the buy now button. Okay, people are a lot more smarter online than they were 10 years ago. Okay, people are a lot more conscious of what's going on. There's a lot more transparency online as far as purchasing products and understanding which products come across as quality, which ones aren't. Okay, the internet has empowered consumers. Okay, so they have websites like Ripoff Report and Yelp where you can write reviews on negative or bad experiences, and customers and clients read these reviews. Okay, so reviews have a great amount of power. They have more power than a sales letter. Okay, so people are going to value a review of a customer. People are going to value the view of a subject matter expert, or you in your case. You know, you are a CrossFitter. You've used a ton of different CrossFit shoes. You're now a subject matter expert on the topic of CrossFit shoes. Okay, it's rolling with the theme that we've been talking about throughout this whole course. So make sure that you review the shoe. Make sure that you highlight both the features and the benefits. But make sure you're not trying to sell the shoe. You sell the shoe or overly sell the shoe in your review or your video review or your blog review. So remember that content is definitely king. You want to make sure that your content is from a very honest perspective. Okay. Now, talking about content and talking about success as an affiliate marketer, you want to make sure that you diversify the products that you promote on your given niche site, as well as the companies that you decide to join their affiliate programs. I've shared several stories throughout this training regarding both kind of failures that I've encountered as an affiliate marketer. So you never want to put all your eggs in one basket. So if you join Commission Junction at cj.com, you want to make sure that you also join shareasale.com. You want to make sure you also join JVZoo if you're doing digital products. Also make sure you join ClickBank if you're doing digital products. You want to make sure you're on different platforms offering different products, because the more products that you can review that relate to your niche, then the higher perception of authority your site will A, have with people that visit the site, and B, the greater authority you have with the search engines such as Google, because you're now starting to get into a lot of long tail keywords. You're starting to formulate content around these various long tail keywords that people will be searching for when it comes to your particular niche. So you want to make sure you diversify the products you review, the companies that you promote, as well as the affiliate networks that you are a part of. So I hope that that kind of makes sense. Continuing right along, as far as content, content's not only limited to the video reviews that you conduct on your site or the blog postings that you have on your site. Content can also be in the form of a free ebook download, or what we refer to in the affiliate marketing world as a lead magnet, a lead generation. So that's also a piece of content. You need to make sure this is very high quality content that adds a certain level of value to the person that downloads it. Now, typically we use these lead magnets in affiliate marketing to get someone to join our mailing list. So ultimately, you want someone to come to your site. You want them to join your mailing list so you can drip, sales letters. You can drip promotions, future promotions, as well as valuable content to them over a certain period of time. So you may have a free 7-day video training. You may have a free ebook guide, as it shows here in this particular video. And you want to make sure in that particular download, especially if it's an ebook, you want to make sure you have some affiliate links throughout that free ebook. Okay, so content is not just limited to what appears on your site. It can also be in the form of freebies or giveaways or free download, or as we said, lead magnets that you can generate from people visiting your site. So I'm going to conclude this particular video, and I'll be moving into our next video where we talk about generating traffic as an affiliate marketer. I'm not going to dedicate a ton of time to the topic of generating traffic because there's so many courses and YouTube videos, and there's so many different ways of generating traffic that I felt it would be distracting from actually learning the core of affiliate marketing. So thank you for joining us, and I'll see you in our next video where we talk about traffic generation for your affiliate marketing efforts. Talk to you soon. Have any questions on this particular video, feel free as always to shoot me a message and or write a question in the discussion board.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel to learn much more online with affiliate marketing deeply.